Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you all how to code a Slinky in Python Turtle. This is a very common problem in most Python Turtle classes, so I wanted to show you guys how we can do this. The problem says, draw a Slinky made up of 5 circles where the length of the radius is 25 pixels and the turtle moves forward 30 pixels after each circle is drawn. Your output should look like this. So I would encourage you guys to pause the video and try doing this on your own, and then after you've tried, resume the video and see if you got the same answer as me. So I've assumed that you've tried this on your own, so now we're going to code it together. So I've opened up a new sandbox program in CodeHS where we can write our code. So the first thing we're going to do is create a circle of 25 pixels. And then we're going to move forward 30 pixels. So let's run the code to test this out. Great, we have a circle and we've moved forward 30 pixels. But we need to do this 5 times. So let's copy and paste this code 4 more times. So in total, we have this pattern occurring 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we have it. We finished the Slinky problem. Before you exit out of this program, make sure to hit save. And that's it. Thank you all for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.